Hello students of Standard 2. Welcome everyone to our next chapter, Chapter 2, Role of Computer. That is our half-yearly syllabus. In our previous chapter, we have already learnt about the places where computers are used. In this chapter, we will learn about how computers are useful at the places where we have seen computer and how they are being used. Like we all know that computer is a very useful machine and is used in many places. We will learn about the role and impact of computers in these places. Computers at home. Nowadays, computer is a household name. Many houses nowadays are having computers. Computers is not only used for our entertainment purpose but also used for many other useful purposes. We can study and play games on the computer. We can listen to music and watch cartoons, search for information, chat with friends and family, and do online booking in computers. As I have told, computer is used for our entertainment purpose. For entertainment, we can use the computer for playing games, listening to music, watch cartoons, draw pictures, and chat with our friends and family members, those who are staying far away from us. We can do video chat with them, through which we can see their faces while we are chatting. But computers can also be used for useful purposes like studying, searching information, and doing online bookings. Nowadays, online classes are going on, which is a very useful uses of computer. We can search for any information on any topic through the help of internet in computer. We can do online bookings of tickets like in your railway, bus, aeroplane. All these advanced booking of tickets can be done with the help of computer. We can also nowadays do online booking for movie tickets, hotel reservations, hotel room reservations can also be done in a computer. Computers in school. You all must have seen computers in school. Computers in schools are used for various purposes. In school, computers are used by students, teachers, office staff, principal, everyone for their uses. All are having different uses of computer, whereas a student can use computers for doing practical, for learning computers, and where a teacher can use the computer for teaching students about a topic, about how to use a computer or any other subject. The office staff can use the computers to keep records of each student, their address, their phone number, their blood groups, their parents' name. All this information can be kept by the office staff with the help of computer, and we can generate this information when needed with the help of computer. At railway stations and airport. We all must have seen a computer in railway station. At railway station and in airport, computers are used for booking and cancellation of ticket, checking status of flights and train, managing flights and train, keeping records of passengers, keeping records and generating bills. If we want to go somewhere, we will go to the railway station or bus stand or to the airport. There nowadays computers are used for booking tickets, and if we want to cancel our journey for any advanced ticket booking, then we can cancel it with the help of computers. We can see the check status of the flights and trains with the help of this computer. We can see manage flights and trains which are used by the drivers of the train and pilot of the aeroplane. With the railway passengers and airplane passengers details can be kept by the authority for further reference and use with the help of these computers. Records and bills are also generated in these places with the help of computers. Computers at bank. Computers are widely used in bank for withdrawing and depositing money, keeping records of customers, taking out of money through ATMs. It is very impossible to keep accurate records of each and every customer in paper and pen. So bankers nowadays are using computer to keep 100% accurate record of each customer, when they have deposited what amount, when they have withdrawn the amount of money. All beings are done by the computer. In ATMs also there is also a computer through which money can be withdrawn. The full form of ATM is automated teller machine. In hospitals, nowadays in hospitals computers are used for keeping records of patients, identifying disease, creating medical report, interacting with doctors. The hospital, they used to keep the records of the patients they have admitted, the date of admission, the complete record, the address, the phone number of the patient, the blood group, the disease of the patient, what are the symptoms of his diseases, what medicine has been prescribed to him, the history of the patient, everything is being recorded in the computer. Identifying the disease. Computers are also used for identifications of disease and their causes. Nowadays many testing are done with the help of computer, like eye test, ultrasound. Many tests are done with the help of computer. The reports that are generated with the computers are 100% accurate. So medical reports are also generated with the help of computer. Any doctor who is far away from us, we can interact with the doctor sitting at different locations. They can also use to talk with other doctors with the help of computer to find out the cause and identify the disease. Space research and defense. Computer is also used in the field of space research and defense. The space research scientists are using computers to explore new things about space, about satellite, about different planets. They are also using it for launching rockets and satellites. They are also using it for developing new technology, which will be very useful in the field of research for the space. The defense or our national security is also based on computer nowadays. They are securing national borders with the help of computers. They are developing new technologies for defense system. Learning new skills. Computers are also used for learning skill. That means what we want to do for ourselves. If we want to learn something new, something that interests us, we can also use the computer. We can learn new language, we can learn musical instruments, new recipes, new playing different musical instruments. All these things we can learn with the help of computers. Through the computers, we can take online classes about the things that interest us. In YouTube, we can watch videos of the things that interest us and we can learn more about it. Designing. Computer is also used in the field of designing. Nowadays, they are used for designing vehicles, magazines, cartoons. All these ways also computers are used. They are used for designing models of buildings, vehicles, dresses, etc. And design of the book, brochures, all these things are also done by the computer. Animated cartoons, like for an example, Chhota Bheem, Motu Patlu, all these are being done with the help of your computers. Now, a very important thing, role of computer in learning and teaching. Computer is a very wonderful tool and it is also plays a very important role in our day-to-day life. Most of the people nowadays are using computers for many purposes. But now we will see how computer is useful in the field of learning and teaching. First one is information at click. With the help of internet, we can search for any information related to any topic through a computer and can make our project or enhance our knowledge. Computer is a vast ocean of information. We can search anything and everything from it. A user can also upload and download any image, videos and information in the computer. Second, presentation. Computer can also be used to modify and edit information. Pictures and animations can be made and used to make documents more presentable in computers. If we want to create a presentation on any topic, we can take the help of computers. Use of audio-visual ad. The teacher can take the help of audio-visual ad in computer to make the class more interesting. They can take the help of playway method in computers to teach the students. They provide students with realistic approach and experience. This teaching makes effective and conceptual. Smart classes eases the learning process for all students. I have written here all the points and I am describing it in details. Online teaching and testing. Through the help of online teaching and testing, the student can interact with the teacher at any time, at anywhere. Online test can be done on any topic and the result can also be generated very quickly with the help of online teaching. Exercise. Circle the correct option. This one you have to do in your book. A computer helps the dash to explore new things about space. Answer will be space researchers. Bit number 2. At home, computers are used for. Bit number 2. Playing games. Bit 3. Computers help doctor to know more about diseases. Question number 4. Students can use material for the internet from both bit 1 and 2. Question number 5. Which of these cannot be done with a computer? Cooking food. Choose the correct option. This one also you have to do in your book. A computer is a wonderful tool. Bit number B. Computer can be used to modify information. Question number C. Audio-visual aids make the learning environment as real as possible. Question number D. In hospitals, computers are used for identifying diseases. Bit number E. In shops and malls, computers are used for keeping records of the item. Question number 3. Write true and false. This one also you have to do in your book. Bit number A. Computers are used for designing models, vehicles, dresses, etc. True. Pictures and animations can be applied to make a document more presentable. True. Educational websites and games do not help in teaching the students. False. Computers are not used to secure border and airspace. False. Bit number E. Through a computer we can look for information on the internet. True. Match the following. You don't have to draw a line. Either you will put numbers or put hyphen and write. A better way to present: presentation, online teaching, educational website, withdrawing and depositing money in bank, generating fee bill, timetable and report card in school, helps in launching of records and satellite in space research. Answer the following. Write 2 uses of computer in the field of research. In space research, computers are used to explore new things about space. Bit B. Launching of rockets and satellite. Question number 2. Write the benefits of online teaching. Teachers and students can interact with each other anywhere and anytime. Bit number 2. Online tests can be done and results can also be generated quickly. Question number 3. How the internet is beneficial in education and learning. We can search for information, upload, download videos, images and information. Teachers and students can interact anytime and anywhere. Online tests can be done. Teaching can be done in playway method. Write any 2 uses of computer at home. At home, computers are used to studying and playing games, listening to music. 2 uses of computer in hospital. In hospitals, computers are used for keeping records of patients, identifying diseases and their cause. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Question answer you have to write it in your classwork copy.